How to delete Pinterest account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Our channel is very small and one subscription can motivate us to upload more. So now let's head to the video. First, you open the Pinterest app. It's very quick and simple to delete your account. Then click on the bottom right on the saved. Once you click on that, this profile icon will open here. On the top right, you will find settings. Click on that and then choose settings, and then you'll find multiple options of logging out and all, but for deleting you'll find account management. Click on account management, and here you below deactivate account you'll find delete your data and account. Then you have to click on delete data and account, and if you're ready to leave forever, we'll send you an email with the final step to it. You have to click on continue and they'll send you a verification mail link. You have to go on your mail, and the final step is for you to go on the mail account and click on the mail, and that's how you'll be able to delete your Pinterest account. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.